Hello and welcome back to this part. I want to just clean up some of these joints on the switches using a bit of in the shop, some Servicol lead-free solder wick, and using some multi-core 6040 tin alloy solder. The iron that I use is a 18 watt, so it's not too much power. I like to use this because it doesn't burn the solder, so it splatters everywhere. But anyway, I'm gonna just get this one here. This one looks a bit let's take that off. Let's check it. See, not all of them are dried. There's only a couple of pins. I'll just put some clean back on there. Let's check it. That's okay. There's just one just on this pin. A bit of dry on it. Make sure that's okay. Yep. One next to it. Check that. That's fine. Let's put a bit of solder onto the tip. Easy put. Just check it. Light in the house better, I can see what I'm doing. That's better. Just got a little bit on there. So I might as well do that anyway. It's a bit spiral. Just clean it off. That's better. So there's only a couple that looks a bit suspect. I can't see no more. I see on the a bit of touch. That's better. Moving that across. From just there. So really, you don't want to be doing too many joints. You may cause problems. Put this all on the wick and the only tip. Clean it off. That's better just. A bit of that teeny bit off there, that's better. And just touch them up a bit. And see, all you need is a little tiny bit of solder. You don't want too much solder. Not going to drown it, whatever job you're doing. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Now all I need is me a bit of flux cleaner. Oh, that's gone. There it is. I'm just going to wipe this to get that off. Excess. Check that. That's clean, nice and clean. No more sticky joints anyway, if I can see. You see the power supply looks better. Okay, there's no round there. Right, I think that looks okay. Plug the iron. Let's get rid of that. Like, especially working here with irons. Might burn a setting, she might not be happy. Settee, by the way, for people in the USA is the oat couch. I usually now and again call her the oat couch, but don't tell her. My life won't be living. She heard that. Right. Let's get rid of some of this crap out of the way. Solder wick. Solder. And best of all, a nice drink. Excuse me. I needed that. The fruit is getting a bit dried. Let's put that out of the way. Right. So that's the bit of solder on the joints there. It looks better than it did. When I say there's only a couple. It's got a quite nice clean board. for a change. Usually you're finding joints everywhere. Anyway, we're gonna now is to attempt to put it in as much, and then just to try it and see if we get any crackle anyway. Hopefully, touch wood, load of wood, we shouldn't get anything. And what I do, I shall replace these wires back onto the frame. I've got some cable ties knocking about. Right, so gently, oops, gently, oh, she wants it all back in already. Wants it clicked in already. So we're going to clip her back in. Make sure these the switches and LEDs are in place. We'll do that. On there like so. On there like so. Now it should. It says let's fall in. Let's see what's going off. Well, she was a bugger to take apart. And my box is moving. And she's going to be a bugger to put back. So, right, so that's on there. That's on there. Hang on, that's going into there. Like that. I hate working on plastic stuff. As you find, that's something's going to go crack. That one's in. Now what's stopping that one from going in? Let's have a look, Jim. Let's have a look. See what you're doing. Oh, not going back in. There we go. It was tight coming out, and it was tight going back. This is in. Right. I need to plug in that into there. Before we do anything else, let's just put power. We've got the power. Everything's all lit up. So, just bear with me 1 second while I put my headphones in, because the hi-fi itself is in the other room, and all my, like I say, all my test stuff is all packed away except for my basic stuff. Just and no laughing. Just gonna Put that into there. Switch on. Well, there's no more crackling. Which is good news. Right. So I'm just going to take that off. And the headphones over there out of the way. Watching this time again because of bloody YouTube. Right, let's pull it back together and then let's see what's going to happen. Seems to be no crackling, so yeah. Cable ties. And then where have I put my cable ties? I remember where they are now. Yeah, packed away. What can I use? I don't really want to use this crap. For now, I shall use nothing, I think, because my tyres, everything's all packed up. Like I say, I've only got basic stuff knocking about now. Yes. Right. So the plate will go on. It's a bit bent for some reason. So I remember you'll slide it on like that, and it just goes up. Into there. Right, so now we've got to find the screws that came out of. Now this is the fun bit, because I put all the screws in here because I didn't have a pot. So I'm going to take them all out. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Just put them on there. And the rest of them can go back in the little pot. Screwdriver. Yes, this is the boring bit, I'm afraid. Don't mind me, you know, just carry on talking with yourselves. Many years ago, around about 89, 90, Fisher bought some, well, not years ago, but can you see that? That's sticking out, that shouldn't be there. This bit here, that should be inside there. Yeah, they bought they did a lot of nice stuff, Fisher, and they bought stuff called obviously the studio standard stuff, which is very nice. And I had a complete system, which had twin cassette deck, obviously radio, amp, CD player, all separate. I I saved up to buy it. Took me a while, because the actual item was around about 350 quid, 400 quid, and that kind of money then was a reasonable amount of money. In dollars, I would say about $700, maybe. Not quite sure. In any case, that's better. Onto there. And you know, the best system I ever had was that. Like Fisher, but they don't make anything like that nowadays. You know, they went through a phase of ribbon cable rubbish. Now what's that on? That's, be careful, because that is onto there. Ribbon crap. But there you go. So. But or it was all in one type thing. You got the turntable, twin tape, radio, CD player. You know, a lot of these, i.e., not many names mentioned. Philips, remember Sansui, Matsui, all that palaver, and just crap. Sorry, but pardon my French. But they were. Now this is getting a bit tedious now, because this ice popped up now. How fun we are having on the fair again. You live and learn. And I'll slide it back out. Oh, bugger me. Oh, it's not going to come out now. You swine. Oh, come on. Right. Down, down, down. I don't know. These things are here to do a hiding or do something in that process. Let's tie this bugger. That should be. Oh, why isn't that green? Right, that's there. Now that's got it. Right. Like I say, they just seem to pass it. They don't. Well, they don't last long. It's what you pay for is what you got. That's the keep saying. Now this is a bad concept in the way they've done this. It come off, but it not bloody go back. Right, that's on there. What's stopping it? That's on there. What an awkward thing. It's on now. She's in. Just. I'll just tighten her up a bit. There we go. The tension will take it. What was I saying? Yeah, so yeah, you get people have got different aspects of hi-fi, I suppose. But I'll still say the separates, hands down. You can't go wrong. I mean, if you did have one of them units, i.e. the tape mechanism goes on it, you're buggered. If the CD player goes on it, you're buggered. With the separates, you always can take it out of the system. Look at it, find out what's wrong, any parts, order the parts, but you still got the rest of the hi-fi. Now that's what I can't understand. The dodicity of some people to buy the rubbish, and the manufacturers thinking, well, hang on a minute, you know, people are actually buying it, so why not carry on making it? Well, there you go. That says it all. When I was talking and messing around with that, I actually dropped my screw, which is down there somewhere, you know, on the old deck. Anyway, I'm watching the time. I think we're about coming up to the last bit on this. But yeah, next bit, obviously get the front panel back on, the knobs and whatever, and then I shall catch you up with that, and then we shall try her and see what she sounds like. Right, thanks for watching.